Good morning. Today I will be building storage shelves in my shed to utilize my space a little bit better. The ultimate goal in this is to make my garage layout a little bit more efficient, and I'm planning on doing a garage overhaul here in the next month. Oh, what's that? You're wondering what these two YZ250s are doing here? Don't worry, you'll find out about them soon. So the shed is going to go from this to this. Alright, the shed is emptied out and it's time to get to work. I ended up going with 2x3s for this project. They're a little cheaper than 2x4s and I think they'll be plenty strong. The plan to start is one big L all the way across both of these walls up high, another shelf here, and then a small shelf right there. This shed is 12 feet on this wall and 10 feet on this wall. I did buy 8-foot pieces of wood. So I actually went ahead and bought some of these, which I've never used before, but should get the job done to join wood and extend those shelves without having to buy longer pieces. Alright, this wall's shelf is framed out, and since I'm doing this alone, I'm gonna have to find a little bit of a creative way to get it up there. Alright, the framing is up. I'm really happy with how it's looking. Now it's time to get some plywood cut and installed for the actual shelves. You can see here I'm trying to avoid doing any low supports. I went from the ceiling for this. This shelf is solid and I'm planning to do the same for these. One from that corner, one there, and one there. That way everything down here stays nice and open. Last cuts have been made. All right, the shelves are up. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up start moving things back in. Got the shed all finished up. It is a much more efficient use of space here. I have everything that was in here before, along with 2 big shelves worth of gear from the garage. I'm really happy this isn't just a big mess where it's hard to get to anything anymore. It's actually useful space where things are easily accessible. And I've got camping gear over here, YZ250 parts over here and down there, and then just a bunch of other random gear that's now neatly organized. Again, this is in preparation for a big overhaul I'm planning to do to my garage to make it a super rad professional workspace for building bikes. I'll be getting started on that in the next month or so. As for these 2 YZ250s, I will be making a video about these and what my plans are for them in the near future. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you a little inspiration for your next home project. See you next time.